Human diseases are not only caused by the viruses and bacteria, but they are also caused by the protozoans. We have already heard about the malaria, because since many years human beings are fighting with the malaria. It is caused by a tiny protozoan called plasmodium, which is responsible for this disease. There are many species of the plasmodium, like Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malaria, and Plasmodium falciparum, which causes different types of malaria. Malignant malaria is caused by the Plasmodium falciparum, which is one of the serious disease, and it can be fatal. Death can also occur with this disease. When we look at the life cycle of the Plasmodium, Plasmodium completes its life cycle in two hosts. One is man, another is female Anopheles mosquito. When this Plasmodium enters the human body, sporozoite, which is infectious stage, will enter with the bite of the female Anopheles mosquito. Okay, when infected female Anopheles mosquito, which is biological vector, when bites an healthy person, Plasmodium enters in the form of sporozoite or infectious stage. This sporozoite or parasite Plasmodium multiply within the liver cell first. Then it attack RBC. When RBC releases when RBC is ruptured, it will release one substance. Malaria will release one toxic substance called humazoin. Humazoin is the toxic substance. This humazoin only responsible for chill and fever, which is fever occurring every 3 to 4 days. When female Anopheles mosquito bites an healthy person, the parasite enters the mosquito. So when now Plasmodium from the infected person will enter into the mosquito's body, because I told you in the beginning that parasite completes its life cycle in man and mosquito. So from infected man, the parasite goes to the mosquito when mosquito bites, and their further development will occur. The sporozoites that are stored in the salivary gland of the mosquito when these mosquito bites, again they are introduced into the human body, thereby again starting the same stages, same events that we have discussed before. That means it will enter the human body, within the liver cell it will multiply, then attack at RBC, rupture of the RBC release humazoin, and fever occur in this, malaria fever and chill occur in this patient from there. So again same thing occurs. So as we have already discussed, malaria parasite require two hosts. One is human, another is mosquito, to complete its life cycle. So here female Anopheles mosquito is a host also, and it is a vector also, because biological vector, because it is transmitting agent. It is spreading the disease to the human. Same thing what we have discussed. Here is the human being life cycle. Mosquito bites, okay, with the sporozoite, infective stage. This sporozoite reached the liver. This is the liver. So it is reach the liver and multiply in the liver cell. Then they have entered into the RBC, and release of this asexual reproduction parasite reproduce asexually in the liver cell, bursting the liver cell and releasing into the blood. From there, to reproduce asexually, it is entering into the RBC, red blood cells. In RBC also asexual reproduction occurring. When bursting of the RBC occur, fever and chill are the symptoms. Released parasite infect another new red blood cell. Then now it is ready to complete its sexual reproduction. That's why in human itself it is producing two types of gametocytes, which these gametocytes are developed into the blood cell. Now gametocyte will not develop into the man. It will wait for the mosquito to bite. Female Anopheles mosquito bites, gametocytes male and female enters here, and female mosquito gametocytes. Now female Anopheles mosquito take up this gametocyte along with this blood meal. Now fertilization takes place in the mosquito gut. Malaria, mature infective stage, that is sporozoites, it will escape from the gut and then migrate to the salivary gland. So sporozoite, now it is in the salivary gland and ready to enter into the host when this mosquito bites. Thank you. This was the stages in the life cycle of plasmodium. Please do like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care.